I had a really good friend, Ollie. He's alive. I have a good friend, Ollie. And he told me, Emeka, if you're going to do this, for the love of God, can you just commit to 6 months? Right? It was when I was going to come back to coaching. He's like, you've been jumping around from thing to thing to thing. And he saw me through my low times. So he's like, you keep jumping around from this to this. You do all the things that we know never work. And if you're going to commit to this, if you're truly going to do this, I need you to just please commit to it for 6 months for seriousness, right? Like 6 serious months. And I'll never forget that. And I said, well, I didn't tell him, but in my mind, after a call, I was like, well, okay, I'll just commit to it for 12 months. I could do 12 months. I could commit to coming back for 12 months, see what happens. And that's what I did. There was no second. There was no backup plan. There was no plan B or any of that. It was like, all right, I'm just going to only do this for 12 months and see what happens. Worked out pretty damn well. If you do the same thing with your Amazon KDP business, I can pretty much guarantee you will change your life in 12 months. Not 12 weeks, not 12 days, 12 months. Shit takes time, longer than you think. But if you commit to, working pretty much every day, learning every day, publishing books, understanding you're going to fail a lot through the next 12 months. But if you commit to it for 12 months of getting better and better and better and better and better, you will change your life. But if you do it, you do this KDP thing, publish some books, and then you're also starting this, I don't even know what other side. You want to start a YouTube channel. You want a software, build a software, okay? And you want to do that. It's not going to work. One of the biggest lies or misconceptions that people have when they start their passive income lifestyle type of thing here, it's that, well, millionaires have 7 different streams of income. Okay, but it took one stream of income to make them a millionaire, and then they added 6 more to multiply their income. So that's the part nobody talks about, right? And ask any millionaire, ask any deca millionaire, whatever they're called when they have tens of millions, right? That's how it works. That's the game. And so the same thing applies with Amazon KDP. If you're trying to get to 6 figures, it's one system, one method, one platform for a year. You'll get to 6 figures. But if you try Amazon and then you try to do TikTok and you try to do this and that, it's going to lead to nothing but headache.